Zimbabwe's sovereign wealth fund, the Mutapa investment fund, is touted as a potential game changer for state enterprises and the broader economy. Modeled on Botswana's Pula Fund and Ethiopian investment holdings, it aims to revitalize strategic assets, create jobs and attract investment. But experts from Zimbabwe Economics Society say its success hinges on addressing a number of outstanding factors. Eben Mabunda explores those factors for us.
Zimbabwe's sovereign wealth fund, the Mutapa investment fund, aims to drive economic growth and revitalize strategic state assets. Despite comparisons to Botswana's Pula Fund and Ethiopia's Ethiopian investment holdings, questions about capitalization and corporate governance remain. Established in 2014 and operationalized in September 2023, the Mutapa Investment Fund holds a diverse portfolio across mining, energy, ICT, transport and logistics, agriculture, financial services, and real estate. Its assets range from the national power utility ZESA and mining companies like Bindura Nickel and Frederick Gold Mine to struggling state entities such as Air Zimbabwe, National Railways, and telecom operators Net1, Tel1, and Telecel.
It was made in a good decision that we transfer the 30 entities into the fund. Those entities, our job is to sweat them. After sweating them, they will make money for the country.
Mutapa is tasked with turning around loss-making state enterprises that have long strained public finances. Cutting excesses, strengthening governance, and shedding non-core assets are key to restoring viability. More capital is also needed to unlock value.
If you check what we've done now, is that we want to remove the obstacles, the pain points of entities from not making enough commercial viable decisions. So in the short term, you also require fresh capital. And that fresh capital requires us to move forward, both in the short term and long term.
Economists say the concept is sound, but success hinges on strong governance and adequate capitalization.
There is no greater transparency to all people than to actually have a robust Victoria Falls Stock Exchange where you put them all there for all to see. That means they have got to be compliant. They must produce accounts within a specified time, and that's your most efficient market to get capital.
The Zimbabwe Economic Society believes the fund's mission is to grow Zimbabwe's strategic assets, build sustainable national wealth, and drive economic growth through responsible investment and sound management.
With the better stewardship, focusing on the real issue now of our resources, with better resource management, stewardship, colleagues, no Zimbabwean should be in poverty. Look at China now. They've pushed 800 million people out of poverty in a short space of time, 1990 to 2022, and they've declared that extreme poverty is history.
As the Mutapa Investment Fund seeks to mimic the success of regional peers, the road ahead will be defined not just by ambitious investment plans, but by how effectively it can turn legacy liabilities into viable national assets.